Hey there! So, if you're not vibing with the music in Counter-Strike 2 and you're itching to tone it down a bit, you're in the right place. In this quick walkthrough, I'll guide you through the steps to do just that. Let's jump right in. First things first, fire up Counter-Strike 2 on your computer. Now that your game is loaded, look up to the top left corner of your screen and spot the gear icon. Give it a click and voila, the settings menu pops up. Next, navigate to the audio tab, it's right there waiting for you. Once you're in the audio tab, locate the music option. Click on it and you're in the music section. From here, adjust the main menu volume by dragging the slider towards the left side to lower the sound. Now, if you're aiming for complete silence, simply drop the volume all the way down to 0%. That's it. The main menu music is now muted. And there you have it. You've successfully dialed down the main menu music in CS2 on your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Hungry for more Counter-Strike 2 tips and tricks? Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.